when you're alone? Are you lonely? Do you feel like no one is there? At a party, do you just sit in the corner with your stuffy and feel like me, lonely even in a crowd? I feel lonely sometimes when I think no one knows how I feel, but the Bible reminds me Jesus never leaves me and his love is real. He's always with me in the day when I play, and at night when I see it's time to lay. Do you feel alone? Do you play by yourself? Did you ask someone to be your friend and they were unkind and said no way? I feel lonely sometimes when I think no one knows how I feel, but the Bible reminds me Jesus never leaves me and his love is real. He was lonely too. His disciples didn't understand what he said he would do. He cried and needed time by himself to pray. He loved people and knew they were trying in their own way. So if you ever feel lonely, remember folks are often doing their best. They don't always mean to be mean or make you feel lonely or unseen. So when you feel lonely sometimes and think no one knows how I feel, the Bible will remind you Jesus never leaves you alone and his love is real.